You cannot perform this action with a locked PIN, means you need to unlock your PIN in your Roblox account settings before you can do what you're trying to do. Here's how to fix it. 1. Go to the Roblox website and log into your account. 2. Click on the settings icon, usually a gear icon, in the top right corner. 3. Navigate to the security settings section. You might find it under Privacy or Account Settings, depending on the Roblox interface you're using. 4. Find the option related to PIN or lock and unlock it according to your preference. If you want to keep the PIN enabled but unlock it for this session, look for an Unlock PIN option. If you want to disable the PIN completely, look for a toggle to turn it off. Enter your current PIN to confirm disabling it. 5. Once you've unlocked the PIN or disabled it if that's what you wanted, try performing the action again in the Roblox application. For more information on adding, changing or removing a PIN, you can refer to the Roblox support article here, linked to en.help.roblox.com.